the wind's wings, they did darken the sky. His roar fury's fire, and his scales sharpened sighs. Men ran and they cowered, and they fought and they died. They burned and they bled as they issued their cry. We need saviors to free us from outer wings' rage. Heroes on the field of this new war to wage. And if outer wings, man is gone from this world, lost in the shadow of the black wings unfurled. But then came the tongues on the terrible day. Steadfast as winter, they entered the fray, and all heard the music of outer wings' doom, the sweet song of Skyrim, sky shattering through. Dovahkiin, 나락생 nos falling. And so the tongues freed us from outer wind's rage, gave the gift of the voice, ushering a new age. If outer is eternal, the eternity's done, for his story is over and the dragons